All right, guys. Uh, I guess here's our second episode of Wish.com Adventures. No, I'm just kidding. But this will be an interesting one. Our first video, we were talking about Wish.com products as well as other Chinese wholesale websites. For this episode here, we're going on Wish.com. And if you're not familiar with Wish.com, basically there's a bunch of different products. Um, Pretty sure they all come from China, which is why the shipping does take forever. But as you can see here, definitely a lot of good stuff here. A lot of random stuff. I guess the main page caters to what you've been searching up. So when you see weird clown shirts, yeah, let's not question that. But here you have an M249, I assume airsoft gun. But anyways, I'm pretty sure a lot of you are familiar with Wish.com, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a brand new feature, actually. So as you can see at the top, we have free same-day pickup in stores. And seeing that, I was very curious, because normally I'll order something off Wish, and like mentioned, it takes forever to get here. But now, I guess Wish.com is partnering with stores in your local area to where you can pick up items same day. So pretty self-explanatory. But what was interesting is I wanted to see where these items are going, I guess how far they are from my area, as well as what products are carried. So as we take a look, good, we have presidential toilet paper, car wireless charger, which is pretty cool, and a bunch of different other knickknacks here. So that's when I'll open up the floor to Grant. What are you thinking here?
Well, give me some ideas. What we got working with?
Well, I know you talked about you wanted a new not portable charger. Wireless charger, thank you. So here.
It's almost like we planned this out before.
Almost had it. So here we go. We have an ultra thin QI wireless charger for iPhone X, Galaxy, and all QI standard smartphones. I don't know if QI stands for something or if that's a brand.
I know it stands for something, I just can't remember what.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you're the smart guy here. I'm just trying to explain this. But regardless, top seller, trending product, pick up now. So I guess we'll go ahead and place our order. First, let's go ahead. Okay, so pretty standard wireless charger.
Seems to come in both black and red and white.
Yeah, so without further delaying this process, let's go ahead and buy it. What would you like, black or white?
Let's go white.
White. Oh, sorry. You know what? I just realized something. Probably edit this out. I think the black is only available for pickup because of the little icon there.
Ah, then of course I would love black.
All right. So here we go. Cart. Let's go ahead and get rid of the white. Remove item. So $2 available now for pickup. It's enable location. Sure, why not? As you can see, I am.
And I'll of course blur this out so they don't see my address.
Good. I'm based in this area, which should be blurred out. And look, 7.2 miles. And I don't know if we can view the store. Oh, fuck, that looks sketchy. Okay, well.
Just think about the clicks you get from I got shot from shopping at Wish.
Well, anyways, I guess go big or go home. I don't know what else to say about that, but we'll go pick up here, which is recommended East Baseline.
And does it show what store it is, or is it a person?
Okay, we might have some problems here. All right, now we're back. So, unfortunately, Grant, your wireless charger cannot be ordered. So let's find something. Oh, look, a motorcycle clock. That's kind of cool, I guess. Elephant lunch carrier, random jewelry. Oh,
Another wireless charger.
you know what? But this one actually looks pretty cool.
And it's got LEDs.
All right, let's try it. $7. Cart. And we'll go ahead and get rid of the original one. So here we go. Motherfucker. This one doesn't give me the pickup option either. So as we move along,
Third time's the charm.
third time is the charm. I guess we can't get too picky with the item now. We're gonna have to go ahead and just pick something here. So,
You know what I would love?
what would you love?
I would love. Let's keep on scrolling, see what we got. I would love a dash mount.
A dash mount?
I would love a dash mount.
All right. That is what I'm talking about right there. Oh, look at that. I saved 5 cents. What a
Savings.
What a steal. All right.
What is that?
All right.
1/20th of percent off? 5% off?
Let's go ahead and select the store. So available now.
Mm-hmm.
And we go ahead and swipe to pay.
Cross our fucking fingers. Third time's the charm.
Oh boy.
We're in business.
Available. Okay, so here's a cool thing. So available for pickup now until August 26th, which
Is a month away. So you could order it and pick it up anytime
within a month. That is very, very, very interesting. So we see QR code, which I'm assuming
is for them to scan to confirm your identity. Probably.
for the pickup. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So, well, let's go get our freaking dash mount, phone mount.
Let's go.
All right, guys. So here we are, over in front of the beauty supply shop. So this is where Wish sent our item. Well, I guess they sent it before, but you know, we ordered it, came same day within an hour and picked it up. So really nice people in there, really nice setup they got. They told me how they are not sponsored, but what, partner with Wish.
Yeah, like essentially people through Wish will buy products and then give them or ship them to these retail stores in order to sell them for them. So that way they have the option of pickup without needing shipping or anything like that.
But the cool thing is they already have a ton of other items off of Wish. Like I saw the smart watches, Bluetooth headset, that sort of thing in there for anyone to buy. So we go ahead and pull this out. And I got some good packaging in here. All right, cool. So here we go, guys. Soft tube holder for my smartphone. And me and Grant were talking. Retail, maybe on Amazon, Best Buy. You're talking about $20 for these, 15, $20.
Like 10 for a real shit one, $20 for a good one.
Yeah. So and
Or more.
overall, this purchase came out to be 95 cents. So I would say not bad. Well, I guess I shouldn't talk yet. So should be pretty self-explanatory here. Let me go ahead and put all this trash away. So we have our holder, as well as, don't want to mess that up, our clamp, and oh boy. You know what? I'd be lying to everyone if I said I knew how to put this together first try.
And I do, but I have the camera.
You freaking bastard. Alright, so, yeah, you know, I'm not that dumb. I can go ahead and see the picture here. So, this goes onto the window, and this part, yeah, holds the phone. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get my phone in there, as well as, thank you very much, figuring out what we can do with this part right here. There we go. And screw that up. Let's put this back on. This goes right onto here. We'll go ahead and screw this part in. And what do you know?
And the tubing is surprisingly rigid. Like, I expected it to be like hollow and easy to move around, like kind of shitty, but pretty rigid.
This is actually pretty strong. So So
you just press it on there and then you flip this little notch down the other way. Yeah. In order to I see. So you press it down pretty hard. Go ahead and flip the notch. Great. And now,
fuck. Sorry about that.
Now you break it.
Oh no. Oh, beautiful. Well, you know, I'm not the smartest, so there we go. So let's not SOS, please. There you go. It's not like I have any maps up or anything, but for 95 cents, I mean,
yeah,
it gets the job done, you know? It is pretty strong.
If we rock around, it does have a little bit of sway to it.
It does. It does, though.
For 99 cents or 95 cents, not bad.
Not bad. Like I said, it gets the job done.
I mean, if you're like me and you unsafely watch YouTube videos while driving,
oh, brother, here we go.
Then it would help tremendously. Because who wants to kill a kid? Not many. A few. Some.
But that's another story. But Slay's about to come over and be like, what the fuck are you guys doing?
But overall, good purchase, right?
I would say very good purchase. And like previously explained before, I want to go ahead and make this video to show you guys how how their pickup system works. So I want to do more in the future on this. Maybe go to different stores. There were a ton of other stores actually selling different products, so we can go ahead and see. We'll go ahead and maybe get some more high dollar products, more high value products, and see how they do stack up against the real deal. But for the most part, I would say this was a success. Wish. You guys definitely have this whole. You compared it to Amazon FBA, right?
Yeah.
Basically, yeah. This whole the whole system, I would say, is pretty damn good. So.
Yeah. So Wish, please sponsor us.
Yeah. Right.
Couldn't help trying to get free shit.
All right. Well. Sounds good.
All right.
We'll see you guys next time.
Shaka bra.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look, they never thought that we'd do it. I'll admit I had my doubts. They tell you follow your heart, then turn around and they run their mouth. But look, I always tune them out. Now look at me, now look at me. I probably won't make history, but I'll make a damn good life for me. Shit, I did this without a label or a manager or agent. Now every show is amazing and every week's a vacation. They told me I would.